What's up, YouTube? This is Dathan with THM Motorsports. Boy, oh boy, it's about that time. I'm finally excited. If you're just tuning in, we're doing a Transaxle upgrade from a normal, regular, boring, non-LSD-equipped Transaxle that blew up on the 944 1986 drift car. Getting this prepped and ready to go. And we are upgrading it to a 1984-85 LSD-equipped Transaxle, courtesy of Elliot at 944 Barn. If you don't know who he is, you have a 944. He's a great guy to deal with. You get a lot of parts from him. He happened to have this one coming out of a car out of Pensacola. It's a little rusty, but says it gets the job done. So I've been really looking forward to getting this one in the car. LSD, no more welded diff. So did great for daily driving and for fun daily drifting, some skids, some antics. Couple that with our phone dials for our drifting needs. Now these will be our drifting spares. I'll go over those a little more in another video, but those will be going on the car. These will just be the regular street tires. So now probably wondering what happened to the old transmission. So if you're just tuning in, here's the old back half of the old Transaxle. So this was welded and as you can see, it's no longer really welded. It's kind of, yeah, it's semi-welded. Anyway, once that kind of went, since these are all one piece, kind of blew up. And as you can see from here as you go, missing a tooth. It's just not the greatest. These bearings don't feel all that great. Once you get stuff in the oil, it just really doesn't, it's not good. It's like a shotgun blast. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's the tooth that broke off is in there somewhere. Haven't really fished it out. You can kind of see some of the metal particles that's on the casing. It was just pretty bad, so I didn't want to go through the effort of trying to repair it and limp it and put it back in the car only for it to break again and then have to go through all this again. So what a better time to upgrade and just put this in here. YouTube, Dathan with THM Motorsports. Look what's back on the road. We finally got it done. She's back out here, cleaned up. Went to some car meets this weekend. She's finally back on the road with a limited slip. Now, haven't really been sliding much because I need to get actual drift spares on here, or tires for drift spares. But this is more of a little test. Gonna go ahead and actually see if she will slide on the tires that I actually have here in the little secret spot I got. So, see if this works or not. If not, oh well. She's only got like 5 horsepower, so, you know, we'll make it work. Figure it out. Anyway, let's go.